It's a great day at Berkeley Automotive, and today we have 2014 Ford Focus for $9,500 with 70,607 miles on it. Let's walk around the vehicle. Ford Focus ST hatchback model comes in black color and it sits on 18-inch aluminum wheels. You can see enhanced exhaust in the middle of the rear bumper. And so far I don't see any scratches or dents on the vehicle's body. 2014 Ford Focus ST handles the road very well. It comes with a rebuild title on hand and is certified to be back on the road again. And I'm approaching freeway in a few minutes. Guys, if you are interested, come and check it out at Berkeley Automotive.